obviously the reason why you're here, my 2020 earnings here on YouTube. So if you guys are interested, you already know what to do. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into it. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. And in case you're seeing me for the first time, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelechi, mgbemena, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys, or we are going to be taking a look at my analytics, at my YouTube analytics for the year 2020. Now you guys already know that I love sharing a lot of production tips, marketing tips, business tips, growth tips relating to YouTube, and this video is not going to be any different. So I've been seeing a lot of these videos on YouTube of recent, and I figured I'll just do mine to share you guys my own analytics, give you guys my own take and my own perspective of what's been going on my channel, and hopefully maybe you can use this as a reference to yours, to interpret yours as well. This is sort of me reflecting back in time, back in 2020, and to be honest with you, 2020 was my take off year in terms of YouTube growth. If you guys have been following me since last year, you guys would have seen that, and I'm so grateful and I'm super thankful for each and every one of you. So what we're going to be doing right now is just chill, relax, and take a look and have a look at what's been going on, my growth, and obviously the reason why you're here, my 2020 earnings here on YouTube. So if you guys are interested, you already know what to do. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into it. Okay, so I have my laptop right here. All I'm going to do now is just to start recording my screen, so that way we can obviously see what's going on, what's been going on my channel for the entire year of 2020, guys. So I do know that talking about money, your earnings here on YouTube, even sometimes growth, is such a very delicate and sensitive topic. But honestly speaking, I feel like this is one of the best ways to teach people and to also educate people, because you're not only passing on and sharing information that could even be used for like experiment, research, or whatever. You're also like helping people out that are probably lost, because I wouldn't even lie, I was confused at first when I started off YouTube with earnings and all of that, trying to figure out how this could be profitable, trying to figure out how I can navigate my way through this YouTube, world. And the more information you share, the easier it is. So this is sort of me just sharing my information from a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, based in Lagos as well. So in case you're Nigerian or you're African and you're wondering, how much you could potentially earn, let's just use this as a sample, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to quickly just open up my YouTube. Okay, so let me just select 2020, and gosh, I feel so relieved. I can't be the only one who is relieved to be done with 2020. So this is what my 2020, this is what my analytics looks like right here. 2020, I had a total of 57.2 million impressions. What that means is that YouTube basically pushed out all of my content, or some of my content, to 57.2 million people. It means that 57.2 million people saw my content, or at least saw my thumbnail. Not like they clicked on it, but they saw my thumbnail, which is amazing. Can you imagine what you could do with 57.2 potential clients or customers or viewers? That is amazing. And out of that 57.2, I had a total of 4 million views for the year 2020, which is amazing, to be honest with you. So in terms of my audience, this is where you see the drastic growth. In terms of my audience, we gained a total of 93.7 thousand subscribers. Guys, we gained almost 94,000 subscribers, and this should kind of give you an idea of how I started off in terms of growth for 2020. 2020, I barely had, I think about 10,000 subscribers, and in less than a year, or within a year, I was able to gain 94,000 subscribers, which is amazing. And I'm honestly so grateful, to be honest with you. So let me go over to my revenue side. This is why you're here. Okay, so in 2020, we had a total of 4 million views, 294,000 watch hours, and we gained 94,000 subscribers. This is mind-blowing, and this is wow. So in terms of my revenue, we could see that for the whole of 2020, we made a total of $20,000, which isn't bad, because if I'm to convert this to Naira, because I'm Nigerian, but luckily YouTube isn't my only income stream and income source, to be honest with you. I have about 4, and I think I've talked about that in one of my previous videos. So having this as something that you can always add to whatever you're doing, if this is your side hustle, $20,000 in Naira is, let me just calculate this. Naira, exactly, this is 9 million Naira. So having 9 million Naira as an add-on to whatever you're doing, I think it isn't so bad. So let's assume that YouTube is my only income source. Let me just see how sustainable this is. 9 million divided by 12. Let me see what that would give me. I want to see my monthly income divided by 12. That is 750,000 Naira. So indirectly, let's just assume that I'm earning 750K on average every single month. Yeah. Okay, so assuming we're making 750 on a monthly basis just from YouTube, by the time you add other income streams, affiliates, sponsorships, products, all of that added together, we're going into millions, or we're calculating in millions, which is amazing. But having this alone as your major or sole income stream really isn't bad. If I'm to be 100% honest with you, YouTube earnings kind of really fluctuates. It's not fixed. It's not, you cannot determine how much you earn. You can only assume and work hard to earn as much as you want. Again, looking at your analytics, understanding it is very key when it comes to growth in your views, your subscribers, as well as your earnings. It does make a whole lot of difference. Again, YouTube earnings is not fixed. There are some months I made over $2,000. There are some months I made barely $1,000 and something dollars. It's just fluctuates depending on your inputs, depending on what you give, and then how your audience receives what you've given. And to be honest with you, I'm super grateful. I feel like this is a starting point for me. I'm never going to get or going to make lower than this. It has to either be 10 times. I won't add one more zero to this, and I'm super pumped. I'm super excited for this. So let's just quickly look at my analytics, guys. This is how it all started. As of early last year, I was barely getting over 1,000 views, barely over 1,000 to 2,000 views every single day. That is how it started off. And luckily for me, the YouTube gods picked up one of my content, and it literally went viral. And that was how we went from making, or from receiving barely 1,000, 2,000 views to now getting 30,000, 38,000, 70,000, 100,000 views in one single day. That is amazing. That is amazing. Now, on an average, I get somewhere about 10,000 minimum to about 20,000, 15,000 views every single day, which is also amazing. Now, and let me just take a look at the revenue side so you guys can also see what I'm talking about. In terms of my revenue, as of early January, while I was receiving barely 1,000 views per day, I was making that 1,000 views per day was giving me, or 2,000 views per day was giving me about $6, an average of $6-7 basically. And then YouTube picked up one of my videos, like I first said, and I started, and that went up to hundreds of dollars, up to the peak, which was $400. That is amazing. And obviously that dropped. Now, on average, I make somewhere between, I already know this in my head, I don't need to look at it because I've mastered my analytics in my head. On average, I make somewhere around $50 to about $70, depending on, you know, how my channel and the kind of content I'm putting out. Again, I've not been consistent. That is my average for not being consistent. I'm hoping that if I'm being consistent, that could get up to from $50 to $100 or $150 every single day. That is probably going to be one of my goals. How much we've earned, and my top performing video was this video, which is the I tried Scott Barnes makeup tutorial on Tati, and this was literally one of the videos, or should I say the video, that took my channel to the next level. And because of that video, I got a lot of traction, I got a lot of visibility, and I was already creating amazing content, to be honest with you, and people found me through that video. That was like my gateway video. That's like my gateway video that opened up the flood of YouTube blessings, and blessings are just coming my way from there, and it's still gonna come my way by God's grace, and your way as well. Amen. So this video made me $3,000 last year overall. My other tutorial videos on tech production, starting off YouTube, which is obviously what I love. I love setting up like this. I love having to strategize what the light would be so that you guys can see like the hair light. I love production. So I love that I get to share that with you guys, and that you guys also love it. This gives me so much joy. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to anyone who is starting off YouTube. I just wanted to share with you guys my finance in terms of my YouTube performance, because I still feel like this is still a very sensitive topic, but honestly, people need to share more information. People need to share more information, because a lot of people are actually searching for these information. So for anyone who is looking for how much a Nigerian YouTuber earns who has over 100,000 subscribers, mind you, when I had 10,000, 15,000 subscribers, I think I even need the most amount. Again, it's not about the amount of subscribers that you have, it is about your views and how advertisers rank or rate your content. Depends on how much they are willing to bid on your content and how much they are willing to pay, because that also affects your CPM and then your RPM. Again, you're making money from advertisers if it's YouTube revenue. So depending on the quality, your channel ranking, and your channel strength at the same time, the topic you're talking about, like different things that kind of goes into like the whole YouTube algorithm. But yeah, I just like sharing information, hopefully someone or anyone who needs it. Again, I think people like to say this, but I don't feel like it's needed, but I'm still going to say this. This is not a bragging video. This is not a blah, 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 blah. Yeah, basically this is just for information, I guess. So yeah, in case you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comment section. I feel like I'm going to do another video on my 2021 goals, vision board, content strategy and plan. I want to kind of re-strategize for 2021, because this year has to be the biggest year so far. I have to move from 100K to maybe even 300K. I'm putting out my positive energy, and I'm saying out my affirmations, and I'm going to manifest everything that I want 2021. And I hope you're also being positive. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to someone at least who's kind of confused, or maybe nosy, or maybe curious. I hope this was helpful either ways. I'll see you guys in one of my next videos, or my previous ones if you guys haven't seen them yet. Feel free, check them out right here. And also do not forget to subscribe. It is totally free, it is totally fun and educated here. I cannot wait to see you guys in one of these videos, and I can't wait to see you guys subscribe. So yeah, let's go.